Thank you, Mr. Speaker. In my constituency of Calgary-Glenmore, there is a wide variety of schools giving parents the choice of education that meets the needs of their children through quality education. I continuously hear from my constituents about how curriculum update has been long overdue to teach children to be stewards of our environment. To the Minister of Education, what changes are being considered to ensure that our education is promoting environmental stewardship in Albertan schools?
Thank you for the question, and certainly we are always looking to ensure high-quality education through our curriculum, and we're focused on the priorities of regular Albertans, protecting and supporting education and the frontline services that their families depend on. We know that students have some of the brightest, highest academic performers in the country, and that we have one of the best education systems in Canada. And the curriculum is a key component to that, and keeping it updated and current, and working closely with parents and students and teachers at post-secondary institutions to build a curriculum that's as high a quality as what we expect from.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. For a supplemental.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given that a lot has changed since the curriculum has been revised, to the same minister, what kind of changes could we expect in the science curriculum that will teach children about the very important and real issue of climate change, both in and outside the classroom?
The Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And certainly we've been working with our curriculum working groups, but we also have roundtable discussions in regards to the energy industry, for example, agriculture and forestry, talking about working with energy systems and working with modernizing and developing each of these industries here in our province. And so we work with post-secondary institutions, we work with industry, we work with teachers, and we work with parents to make sure that we build a solid curriculum that reflects both reality and reflects the future of our province in a fundamental way.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given our understanding of climate change has evolved quite a bit since the last time the elementary school curriculum was updated in 1996, to the same Minister of Education, what new information has been added about climate change?
The Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And as pointed out before, some of our curriculum is more than 30 years old. Elementary science curriculum is more than 20 years old. At the time, Mr. Speaker, I think Windows 95 was kind of the latest thing, and we've moved on since then. The modern K-12 curriculum will make sure that we have the skills for students to understand both the changing environment in which we live, but also the changing industrial environment in which we live. And so, working together with both industry, post-secondary institutions, we are ensuring that we have modern concepts around climate change, and around diversifying our energy industry.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.